And oh my gosh, look at all of the dishes that were cleaned last night. Like, we don't even have enough space to, because we hand washed a lot of things. Nightmare. Nightmare! Hello, internet. It's Kay here, and today is another cleaning motivation video. As you can see, it's gotten a little out of control. Clover had a good walk. For those of you who are wondering, he had a very good walk. He ran into one of his friends in the street. He freaked out a little bit when I went to Target for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, looking very sleepy. Looking very sleepy. You wanna go to sleep? Yeah. Just went to Target. I went a little crazy. You know, let's do a little Target haul. Let's do a little Target haul before we clean. So I got a runner for the kitchen. But I don't know if it's gonna be a good idea or not. I had like a whole thing about like, I thought maybe a runner would be like a good addition to the kitchen area. Like, you know, just make it a little warmer, a little warmer. I don't know, we'll try it and we'll see what we think. Clover's checking it out. And then, even though I clean with water a lot of the time, I do like this antibac stuff for the bathroom. Eucalyptus mint, which sounds very nice. Listerine, very exciting. Some Method Daily In-Shower Cleaner. I'm not really convinced about these things, but I'm gonna give it a try to see if I have to clean the shower less often when I use this. So, I don't know, I'll give it a shot, whatever. You know, it's like $3. Puppy wipes, because sometimes he gets a little poops on the butt. And he actually does need a little like cut back here. I usually give him a sanitary, but he hasn't been in the groomers in a few months. So right now we're just doing a little cleanup sometimes, yeah. Everyone talks so fantastically about this grapefruit cleaner from Method, so I picked a little bit of that up too. I like went crazy in the cleaning section because I'm crazy today. And razors, because, you know, razors. Anyway, today's the day I'm trying to do all the things. I got the day off today, so I wanna practice some music or learn some music because I have first rehearsal tomorrow afternoon. And I need to clean the house because look at the ridiculous. Well, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Bed has not been made. Shame. I'm actually gonna wash the sheets today, so it's not a big deal. Look at 2 jackets are out. Why? All the dog stuff is out because I was going crazy looking for his poncho today because I thought it was gonna rain. But I just wanna sort through this and see if there's anything in here that's unnecessary. And oh my gosh, look at all of the dishes that were cleaned last night. Like, we don't even have enough space to, because we hand washed a lot of things. Nightmare. All right, while I'm waiting for my lunch, I guess I will just start by sorting through some things and putting things away. Here we go. Oh, and did I mention the floor is like an absolute disaster? Like what happened? What happened? So as fun and entertaining as vacuum is for some people, I really would like a Roomba or some kind of robot vacuum so that I can multitask. I really like the iRobot Braava Mopping Robot. I did a review on here on the channel. I'll put it up in the card if you're curious. But I am becoming very impatient with the amount of time I spend vacuuming because of the dog hair situation around here. We love Clover, but like the dog hair struggle is very real. So, and there's like dirt it's hard to keep up. So let me know if you guys would like a Roomba review, especially since I have dark floors. And I have heard rumors that Roomba has a little bit of a hard time with dark floors. So let me know if that's something you guys would like to see on the channel, and I will try my best to get my hands on one. I really want one. I mean, I just probably will just like bite the bullet and get one. But I'm gonna take a break for lunch. I'm gonna turn on the mop and have a little lunch and continue. taking a break for some lunch. This is yummy salad I get all the time. It's so good. And I'm gonna play a little bit of Sims 4. This is my fun life simulation game. If you guys have never played The Sims or if you guys are into video games, that is the Sim version of me. Doesn't look like me, but you know what? It's okay. We found this dog, this stray dog. Its name is Pari. Well, it's a her. I don't know what she's special, and my Sim loves her. And we have a little like Sim child, and her name's Lila, and she's sleeping. She's very cute though, very cute. You can see her little avatar there. She's very cute. Anyway, I'm gonna play this and take a little break. Okay, you guys. I know this isn't a gaming channel, but I mean, how cute is this? How adorable is this? Oh, the creepy butler is coming in. Well, she's not creepy. She's actually pretty cool. I like this butler. But I mean, how cute is that? Give it a little bun a bath. So cute. So cute. Oh, we gotta put her to bed now. Let's see. Let's see. Story time. Oh my God, so cute. This is so cute. Wait, let's follow. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, you guys. I love Sims 4. It's so cute. All right, let's get closer. This is so cute. Yes, I don't have any real children, but this is fine. I'm okay with this for now. Seriously. Yeah, this is adorable. She's reading her to sleep. In her little Simlish. By the way, I really like this outfit. I love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Look at the little room too. I had fun decorating. I had a good fun time. You can, like, I know this is not a gaming channel, but like, you can have so much fun just like building the whole house and like decorating, and it's just fun. Check this house out. I'm actually really proud of this build. Oh my God, this is turning into like a mini like gaming channel. Look at that. Look, it's got like fun like ceilings for like the sun to come through, and like, look, it's pretty cute, right? Cute little modern house. I don't know. All right, back to cleaning. Also, oh my gosh, what a difference this little girl makes on the floor. It's so much cleaner. I'm so appreciative. It looked really bad before, but now it's really nice and clean. So I guess just a bit of an update while I'm doing this. I haven't had to replace the batteries in this. This is the GPS for the mop. But I did have to buy a new reservoir pad there. It had some stress cracks in it. Actually, I'll show you. If I can get in the closet, I will show you. Oh, she's really determined to clean there. I mean, you're doing a good job, girly. Sorry, I want to say it's about like $40 to buy another one of these, but I decided to replace it because I've had it for a year, right? And it gets these little stress cracks in it, which therefore cause it to be slightly leaky. And I don't know why. I've heard this from other people who have purchased it, but I mean, otherwise it's working perfectly fine. But I did have to replace this. I'm gonna keep it, I mean, just in case like the other one goes haywire, I'll have it back up. It still worked, it just was a little bit leaky pants. So I'm just gonna keep it with all the rest of the Braava stuff. In the meantime, let's continue putting things away, and I will sort this dog stuff out. Alright, I didn't end up getting rid of anything because I'm gonna use this shampoo later. I've already used a little bit of it and I'm gonna run out eventually, so I might as well use it. I just straightened out everything in here and then I'm gonna put it back in the closet. Alright, I've unpacked this. I have a feeling that I'm not gonna love it, but I'm just gonna try it. I can always return it if I don't like it, I think. Maybe. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna try it. Let's see what happens. All right, I don't hate it. I actually kind of like it. I think it warms up the kitchen a little bit. It makes it a little more homey. You guys, I think I like it. Look at the kitchen, it's a disaster. I kind of like it. Okay, I'm gonna try it out for a while, and if not, you know, it's easy. I can just take it up. But right now, I just kind of like it. It's like a really, it's not a super expensive runner. It's like cost me like 35 bucks from Target, but I think it's cute, and I think it warms up the kitchen a little bit. It feels nice on the feet, actually. I prefer working in here with this carpet. Oh, I like it. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? I don't know. I like it. All right, let's continue. So we got the dryer going. I don't know where my camera cut off, but I just want to show you guys what I've been doing with my guppy friend. I don't know if you guys saw my microfiber video, but like, it's really important to actually clean microfiber in this filter bag. So everything that I have is microfiber that's dirty. Right now, this is the pad from the Braava. Look how disgusting it is after going. It goes right into the bag. That way I don't have to like go through a whole rigmarole with the hamper that I was keeping. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this. I guess I have to transition this to some other use. Not sure. But for right now, I've put the microfiber bag actually hanging from the door on a command hook. If you're not familiar with command hooks, they are an awesome product from 3M. The hook comes off and the little adhesive comes off without damaging your walls. Hashtag not sponsored. I just love command hooks. I probably should put a little stronger one up here. I don't know how heavy this is gonna get, but for right now, this is what's happening. And this system is working well, so yay. Okay, we're pretty clean in the kitchen here. I'm super happy. I realized we're out of paper towels and I'm freaking out. I guess I have to go buy paper towels now. But you know what, you guys, I really like the runner in the kitchen. I think it adds something and I love the feel of it. Underneath my feet in the kitchen, it's so comforting and I love it. I did have to like move the rug that was here temporarily or maybe even forever, but like, I really like this feel of it. And look at it, it looks nice, like entering. I love it. I have been sort of itching to redecorate the place a little bit, especially maybe this area a little bit, this sort of buffet here, but I'm not really, you know, convinced that I want to do anything yet, and maybe declutter a little bit here, but that will be another video. In the meantime, I'm just gonna check in this closet, maybe neaten it up a little bit, and I think I will be pretty much done. A good reason to go and clean out spaces periodically is you find little gems. I didn't realize that I was holding on to this little Iowa pine hand soap. I'm so happy right now. It's like full. I'm so excited right now, yes. hair cut off, but I just want to show you the finished product here. I just finished decluttering the closet here, so it looks a lot less overwhelming. I took a bunch of stuff out of here that was like the stuff that needed to sort of go or be dealt with, and I've dealt with a lot of the stuff. I do believe these are my mom's, so we're gonna give those back to her and we see her next time. Boots are down there. I've moved the old boot mat down here, and the new boot mat, of course, is out here. Absorbing all that dirt and stuff like that. So put everything away in here, and I just moved all the empty hangers to the end here. That is something, that's a good tip if you have a closet and you are having trouble like finding hangers when you need to. Just when you take the hanger off of something, just move it to the end and you'll have all these empty hangers. So this is for all of our coats and stuff, and I cleared space for when we get paper towels and peanut butter, no, and toilet paper. I stick here, and actually I changed the light bulb in this little light here, which is really cool. It's a motion sensor light, so when it senses motion it comes on. I don't think it has worked for months, and I just never noticed it wasn't coming on, so I just replaced the batteries in there and now it's all good. So now we can see in here and it's nice and bright. So if you guys haven't seen in this closet before, welcome. This is our like coat utility closet. It's very small, but we make it work. We make everything work. So there it is, there's the whole thing, and I'm feeling good about this. And side note, these are just going back to my car. This is going back to my car, and this I'm getting rid of because I hate it. It's a steamer. It sucks. Okay, so I'm done. I don't know if this was entertaining at all or motivating for you, but I finished cleaning for the Monday, so start the week on the right foot. So this is usually how I like to start off Mondays. I usually like to do a little cleanse, clean the entire house, make sure things get cleaned, and then I feel like I have a clean slate for the rest of the week. I have a lot more work to do, so I just want to ask you guys questions. What do you want to see here on the channel? What products would you like reviewed? I love doing product reviews, so as long as it's not too expensive, although I am thinking about doing the Roomba, which is incredibly expensive, but we can pull it together. We can pull it together. Other than the Roomba, what would you like to see reviewed? And I will try to make it work for you. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We do home organizing, home stuff, and there's music stuff on the weekends as well. Yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Sleepy pants, Clover. Oh, look at the evil look. Look. Oh, yes, he's like, stop talking to me, Mom. Stop it. Okay, good night.